Hi, I'm Amanda Chang. I'm a junior here at Olin College of Engineering, and last summer I worked at Avalanche Energy, which is a fusion energy startup in Seattle, Washington, as an electrical engineering intern.
Hi, my name is Brooklyn Wakefield, and this summer I worked at Huddle. They are primarily a sports analytics company, but they also have camera hardware, so I was working as a product designer on their line of cameras and compatible apps.
Hello, my name is Will. I'm currently a junior at Olin. This summer I worked at Optigon. Optigon is a company that is working on next generation of measurement tools for clean energy materials, specifically solar cells. And I worked on the mechanical design of a lot of their subsystems of their newest tool, working on electronics.
Hi, I'm Akshat Jain. I worked at Investors Exchange over the summer in New York. I was a systems reliability engineering intern where I worked on the automated testing framework for the exchange, and I worked on the continuous integration, continuous deployment pipeline for the stock exchange.
I'm Olivia. I'm a sophomore mechanical engineer. Over the summer, I worked at Idaho National Lab for the Department of Energy.
Hi all, I'm Vani Bhatnagar. I'm a senior at Olin, and I worked for Optum, which is the United Health Group technology company, as a software engineering intern.
I got to meet a lot of people in the financial industry. I did not know anything about the industry before starting my internship. I got to learn a lot on a daily basis, and now I'm really excited to pursue a career in this industry.
I initially got to learn how to use Figma here at Olin, and then I got to apply that this summer through working on my product design team, which worked collaboratively with a team of engineers like we do here at Olin.
The people there were absolutely amazing. They answered all the questions. They allowed me to go into different departments since it's such a big company, to understand each of their sectors and really find where I wanted to be.
I learned a lot about mechanical design, definitely grew my CAD skills and also my ability to design for manufacturing, design for assembly. And I learned that I really enjoy working in renewable energy, and so that's something I hope to keep doing in the future.
Getting actual research experience in government, which is something that I was thinking about doing for a job after graduation. I got a grasp of how renewable energy is actually developed and implemented in the real world and how I can have a place in that.
I made a high voltage probe as well as a Python pipeline to be able to display real-time information about voltage cells in our test cells. I learned a lot, and I had lots of control over what I was able to do, and yeah, it was just an overall very great experience, and I would totally recommend.